There are new tax laws in effect for 2018. Here are three things that all homeowners need to know. Unless you've been under a rock, you know that the Trump tax plan has been passed and there are some impacts for homeowners. And I'm going to break down the three main things that you need to know. The first one is the mortgage interest deduction. That's been lowered from $1 million to $750,000. That means that if you have a loan amount over $750,000, you can only deduct the interest up to that $750,000 mark. This has nothing to do with the home price. If you're buying a home this year and you want to buy $1 million home, as long as you're borrowing up to $750,000, that interest is still deductible. It's important to also know that if it's a second home, it is still deductible as well. And what is a second home? That could be a vacation property, a beach house, a cabin in the woods. And if you don't have a second home to deduct that mortgage interest, call me and let's find one for you. Also, the home equity line of credit that used to be deductible for various reasons for the interest deduction is now only for significant home improvements. You can't go to Hawaii on your HELOC. You can't consolidate your credit card debt and write that interest off. If you make significant home improvements, you can still deduct that. That's step number two, or that's item number two. The third thing you need to know about is state and local taxes have been capped at a deduction of $10,000. So if your property taxes, if you're deducting those when you itemize, if they exceed $10,000, you're capped at that $10,000 rate. That's not going to impact a whole lot of Oregonians, but it's worth mentioning. So those are the three things you need to know about the tax cuts. I'm not a CPA, so this is not tax advice. I cannot give you tax advice. I'm not licensed to give tax advice. This is my interpretation of the tax cuts. I can refer you to a really good CPA. I know a couple of them that I've used personally, and reach out to me in the comments or give me a call and I will give you their contact information. That's all you need to know. Thanks for watching. Like it if you like it. Sharing is caring. Appreciate it. Thanks. Bye.